Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. Now let's study about the sky above us. Now let's start. Paste a silver color moon and 3 silver stars in the box using silver foil paper. यहाँ पे आपको silver color का moon draw करना है, paste करना है और साथ में 3 silver stars भी paste करने हैं using the foil paper. Now we see the sky above the earth. On a sunny day, the sky looks blue. We can see the sun, white clouds and birds in the sky during the day. The sun shines brightly. It is a huge ball of fire. It gives us heat and light. तो अर्थ के ऊपर स्काई है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाई देती हैं. ब्राइट सनी डे में आपको सन दिखाई देता है, क्लाउड्स दिखाई देते हैं, birds sky में fly करते हुए दिखाई देती हैं. When the sun shines brightly, it provides us with heat and light. Then every morning the sun rises in the east and brings a new day. Every evening the sun sets in the west, then it becomes dark and night falls. अब हर सुबह, ये आपका important point है, sun कहाँ से rise करता है? East से, और सेट करता है वेस्ट में जब आपका अंधेरा आ जाता है, लाइट बिल्कुल डार्क हो जाती है बाहर. At night, millions of stars twinkle in the sky. We also see the moon. It gives us light at night. It also changes its shape and sometimes we see it in half size. Sometimes we cannot see it at all. The sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. They look small because they are very far from us. फिर रात में आपको बहुत सारे तारे दिखाई देते हैं. They twinkle. मून दिखाई देता है. डेली अगर आप नाइट स्काई को देखेंगे तो मून का शेप भी आपको बदलता हुआ दिखाई देगा एंड कभी कभी दिखाई नहीं देता है. एंड सन एंड द स्टार्स, दे आर वेरी बिग इन साइज बट हमें छोटे दिखाई देते हैं क्योंकि हमसे बहुत दूर होते हैं. On a rainy day, we can see very dark clouds in the sky. The sky looks grey in color and dark clouds bring rain. और जब काले बादल छा जाते हैं, जब आपकी बारिश होने वाली होती है, स्काई आपको कैसा दिखाई देता है? क्लाउड्स भी आपके ग्रे कलर के हो जाते हैं और यही डार्क क्लाउड्स दे ब्रिंग ब्यूटिफुल रेन्स ऑन द अर्थ. Now, good to know. When the sun comes out after it rains, we sometimes see a rainbow. It looks very beautiful. It has 7 colors. अब बारिश के बाद जब तुरंत अगर सनलाइट आती है, उसके बाद कभी कभी आपको रेनबो दिखाई देता है जिसमें 7 अलग कलर्स होते हैं and it looks really beautiful. Now let's revise. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon changes its shape. The sun and the stars are bigger than the earth. So we have studied about the sun, the sky in general, clouds. रात में आपको stars, moon दिखाई देता है and all of these are really big but दूर होते हैं इसीलिए छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Now the practice time. Tick the correct answer. The sun shines during the day. Option B. The sun is like a big ball of fire. Option A. You can see dark clouds on a rainy day. Option A. This gives us light at night. Actually, the moon. Option C. Fill in the blanks. The sun gives us heat and light. The stars twinkle at night. We see dark clouds during the rainy season and we see the rains also, and dark clouds bring rain. Fill in the blanks में थर्ड वाला गलत बोला है, थर्ड और फोर्थ दोबारा ले लियो. we see rainbow during the rainy season and dark clouds bring rain. Name the things you see in the sky. So number 1 is clouds, then helicopter, birds and kites. Now answer the following questions. Name 2 things that we see in the sky at night. So we see moon and we see stars at the night sky. Likewise, you have to answer the rest of the questions also. This also we have studied, just answer them properly. Now skills builder, you must have seen a rainbow in the sky. Complete the rainbow by filling the right colors. ये rainbow है, 7 colors इसमें होते हैं, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red in their order. उसको आपको color करना है. Some stars from different different patterns in the sky. One of the most famous pattern is the Saptarishi Mandal or Big Dipper. Find out more about them and with the help of your parents locate them in the sky. तो सप्तऋषि मंडल या फिर ये आपका बहुत फेमस कॉन्स्टलेशन है. स्टार्स पैटर्न बनाते हैं. वन सच इज सप्तऋषि मंडल और द बिग डिपर. अपनी एल्डर्स या पेरेंट्स की मदद से रात में इसको लोकेट करने की कोशिश करिए. And put together the first letter of each of the words north, east, west and south. What words would you get? You have to write it. ये आपके जो north, east, west, south है, इसके first letters को आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. क्या बनेगा? News, N-E-W-S. You have to write it here. Now the life skill. Many times we cannot see the sky clearly because of dust and smoke in the atmosphere. We should keep our atmosphere clean and free from pollution so that the sky remains clear. तो कभी कभी रात के टाइम पे स्काई क्लियर नहीं होता है डस्ट या स्मोक या पोल्यूशन की वजह से, तब हमें रात में ज़्यादा कुछ चीज़ें दिखाई नहीं देता है. That is why we should always keep our environment clean and pollution free. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.